In this video I will explain navigation between two pages using wildcard flow component. So the result will be same. Before I show you how to navigate pages between departments and employees table. So here I want to clarify there are two files difference. First is config.xml file. This file uses JSPX pages. Here if you go to web content new page, here it is of type JSPX. So and in the adfc config.xml file you can create a task flow, and each task flow has number of pages. So let's try to navigate these two pages, department and employees. Let's close the previous application, and here file new application, select ADF Fusion web application, click OK. Navigation application, next, click next, model, then view controller, next, and then finish. Let's create the business components. Go to model, right click, new, business components from tables, select the connection, now I will take the two different tables. Before I use the department and employees, now I will take countries and countries and locations. So let's take these two tables, countries, locations. Keep these tables in the entity object package. Next, keep these two tables in the view object package. Then next, application module, next, finish. Now our model part is created, entity object, view object, and application module. So what we have to do is, now we need to create a task flow. This, double click on the adfc config.xml. Here it is showing this is the unbounded task flow. Click on components. Here there is a view component, view activity. Bring it here and give the name as countries, and one more location. Now instead of giving like this flow from here to here and here to here, what I am doing, I am taking a wildcard flow control so that you can navigate your pages from anywhere in the design. So let's remove this. Okay, I will select this first. I want to remove this arrow as well as this control. Now I want to navigate from wildcard to countries give name, and from this wildcard to locations. Because if you have number of pages, then it is difficult to navigate between so many pages. So it is better to use the wildcard at that time. Here these two pages are incomplete, showing dash dash. So first go to the countries, double click it. Here it is showing countries.jsf under public HTML folder. Click OK. This is facelets document type and create blank page. In the application module, use the countries. This, bring it near the form, select it as ADF form. Select row navigation to see the records. Previous, next. Click OK. And for the locations as well, locations.jsf page in the public HTML folder, document type facelet, create blank page. Click OK. Now bring the location view one to this AF form, select it as ADF form. I want row navigation. Here there are many fields. For example, if you want to delete this field in the runtime, you can delete the records from this box. For example, I don't want postal code, delete this. It will not appear at the runtime. So now click OK. Save all. Now what we have to do to navigate between these two pages, okay, here in the design area of this countries, sometimes it is taking time. Click on the source and then click on the design, it will come. So here we need to create one button in both the tables, create countries and locations. So first let's create one button in the country table. Bring the button, and here I am giving the label as go to from countries to locations. So locations, and here you need to give the action. This action, it comes from the wildcard flow. See here, this wildcard. This in the action. In the action, here you need to set locations, and in the same way in the location, we need to create one button. Bring the cursor here down. Let's create one button here and want to give from location, you want to go to the countries. So I want to give the label or text name as go to countries, and here also you need to set the action property, it's countries. From here, this is location to countries. Now save all. Let's run the page. this is the country table and this is the data. Next record, country ID, country name, region ID it is showing. This is the first record, this is the last record. So if you want to go from country to location, if you click on this go to location, it is going to the location table and showing the records. If you want to see the next record, previous record or last record, it is showing here. And here there is a navigation, go to countries. If you want to go to the previous table countries, go to countries. So here it's going to the country page. So this is nothing but navigation between the two pages using the wildcard. I hope this video is useful. I will see you in the next video. If you like, subscribe my channel and click on the like button.